Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the basics are in place so Safari can appear on your Apple Watch. First, confirm Watch OS is updated and your iPhone is paired. Safari on Watch often relies on the phone. Once done, enable handoff on the iPhone so the watch can receive links. Then, open a link from Mail, Messages, or ask Siri to show a web page. That action triggers Safari on the watch. This initial step gets you into the browser quickly so you can begin navigating. Once Safari is open, learn the hands-on controls to move efficiently around a page. Use the digital crown to scroll smoothly and tap links to open new pages. The crown provides precise control when viewing dense content. If you need options such as reload or request desktop, press and hold. These contextual controls give you more power without clutter. Also use pinch to zoom and tap and hold to select text or copy links. Practicing these gestures will make reading and sharing faster on the small screen. To finish your session, use the share icon to send the current link via messages or mail, or choose handoff to continue on your iPhone for full browsing. When done, navigate back with the back button or tap the address field to return to the start page. Close tabs by swiping where available. If Safari refuses to open or behaves oddly, restart both devices, verify handoff is enabled, and check iCloud Safari Sync. This single troubleshooting sequence resolves most connectivity and page loading issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.